getting more dangerous. Closer the storm gets, the closer the bolts are getting. But I think I can stay out here a few more minutes. That or until it gets so bad I can't stand out here anymore. Believe it or not, this is the same storm that I took the pictures of and posted them on American weather forums. Three different types of clouds. One of them had like an overshooting top. Another one showed a towering cumulonimbus cloud. And then the third one had like a perfect outline from the sun being behind it. And it's that exact same storm that pulsed up over Cleveland County and then became severe, and now it's progressing eastward, hitting my area. So this is a magnificent storm. I love it when they do that. They'll tower up these huge clouds, and you can see the color begin to get darker and darker. And then as it gets nearer to your area, you can see the lightning coming out of it. And when you get bolts like this, it's just fantastic. Yep. Oh. Oh, that was a close one, wherever that was. It's back over that way somewhere. Hope that showed up good in the camera. That was a pretty long one there. There was a intra-cloud lightning bolt. I don't know if you saw that, but you could see it did a dead center in the camera here. And the lowest of the clouds is about to be right over me. It's only been at least 12 minutes since I started recording, and it is on the move. Whereas in the previous days, the storms, they pulse and they just sit there, or they move very slowly. Today's storms actually had a track. They actually went east. So, and tomorrow for Sunday, we're going to have that approaching cold front, and that'll increase the chance for more storms around here. And then once that front passes, I hope we get to enjoy some very nice cool weather. Supposed to be the mid-80s, low humidity, low dew point. It's everything you could ask for a June day. We can use the break. we could definitely use it. It's been too long, and the heat is making my power bill go up. Even now you can hear the AC running. It's about to get ugly any moment. And then I'll have to head to the porch or stay inside the house one. Because if it hails, I want to be able to get it on video too, and you know, see how huge it might have been. There was marble-sized hail falling in Shelby, from what I've heard. So I'm not sure about how big it'll be here, if any falls. There's strong indication of hail, but I can't possibly guarantee if the same will be for Gaston County. Oh man. I'm going to get my move over here and start recording.